everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how am I looking? So in today's video I am going to show you this nude makeup, or you can say black smoky eye makeup look. So if you don't know, my name is Janvi and I make videos related to makeup. So without further ado, let's start. For moisturizer I am using Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. I have already applied on my face. Gently massage and wait for a few seconds. So primer I am using is Lotus Eco Stay Primer. This is a silicone primer which smoothens your skin. So for corrector I am using the orange corrector, and I'll apply with my hands itself wherever I have blemishes under my eyes. Yellow corrector from Makeup Studio. You can even purchase a corrector palette. मैंने सिंगल ही खरीद लिए थे पहले से, that's why. So for concealer I am using LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'll be blending it with a beauty blender. Take generous amount and apply it. ये सिर्फ करेक्टर को कंसील करने के लिए है, nothing. You can skip this step if you want. Don't forget to stretch your skin and blend the concealer stuck into the fine lines. So foundation here I am using is Milani Conceal Perfect Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. So for highlighting I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. You can even skip this step if you don't want. Highlighting right here on our forehead, on our nose bridge, on our cupid, and on our chin. I'm gonna blend with the same beauty blender. So I am using a cream contour from Kryolan. I am going to apply it with this brush like this from the top of our ear. And on my forehead like this. On our nose. On our jawline. Done. Blending with the same beauty blender like this. You can even blend it with a brush. It's up to you. So for baking here I am using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light, and I'm going to dip the beauty blender, let's say, and I'm going to bake like this. Again here, here, and for the sharpness here. And here, and even on our forehead here, because we applied our concealer. Bronzer I am using from Max Touch palette, the very third one. Generous amount, tapping the excess and blend it with the light hand. this. Same thing here. So for eyeshadow I am using Huda Beauty palette right here. So and the brush that I am using is from PAC Cosmetics. So I am using the shade Henna right here. This one on my crease line like this with the light hands. लाइनिंग में आउटर कॉर्नर, जिसके वजह से हमारा आई शेडो स्प्रेड नहीं होगा. So for smoky look I am here using a kajal. This is a kohl kajal from Revlon. You can even use a gel liner. Gel liner stays long lasting, and even kajal, but you cannot use a normal kajal. You have to use a kohl kajal. You have to apply a kajal the same way we apply a eyeliner. Uneven होगी लाइन्स तो भी चलेगा, वैसे भी we are going to smudge it with a black eyeshadow. So we are doing it. Like this. So now with the black eyeshadow we are going to smudge the black kajal. Tap the excess. I am using here a pencil brush for smudging. As you can see, we have to blend it with the brown eyeshadow on our crease line. Now we'll blend it with a brown eyeshadow, the same henna color, only on the crease line, nowhere else. We just have to blend it. See how easy and simple it is. I am smudging the kajal on my waterline, the same kohl kajal from Revlon. As you can see how intense this kajal is, so pigmented, like this. I've smudged the kajal. See how smoky the look is. I'm dusting off the powder excess. Like this. Backward direction. If you want, you can even apply a glitter shade or black glitter shade on your eyelid if you want. So for blush I am using the Shivana Ultra Blush palette. So blush ना बहुत कम use करना है, so I am using a very light shade, this one. Tapping the excess and applying. Same thing on here. Black smoky eye is the easiest eyeshadow look. I'm spraying a setting spray. Even spraying it on my brush because इससे मैं highlighter लगाने वाली हूँ. And the highlighter I'm using is from Wet n Wild Pearl highlighter, Illuminate. And oh, this highlighter is best and so pocket friendly. My nose and Cupid and kitchen. So for brows I am using a pencil today. This is from Nykaa, as you can see. So first I'll comb my brows, then use the pencil. I'm just lining my borders with my light hands, giving a proper shape and filling the sparse areas. Eye makeup we have done is very dark and heavy, so the lipstick we have to use a lighter shade. So I'm using a Stepping Out shade from Smashbox Cosmetics, and the lip liner I'm using is from Color Bar. The shade is, अरे यार ढूंढना पड़ेगा, chocolate brown. Lining my lips. So lining your lips makes really very easy to apply our lipstick. We don't have to go deep into it. फटाफट अप्लाई हो जाती है लिपस्टिक. Look how beautiful the shade is. Done. The shade is so beautiful. Oh my god, the highlighter. I'm loving it. So it is glowing really nice, and this is the final look, guys, and I hope you all like it. And if you want to see more videos related to makeup, then don't forget to subscribe down below and even like and share, guys. So bye, I'll meet you in the next video.